Welcome to your lesson in the Twirlesque Belay into Diamond. So I personally love this little combo. I think it's gorgeous and creates a lot of beautiful shapes. Beginning from our Twirlesque Belay entry, single footlock on the right silk. Once you have your footlock on, pass the free silk to the right side and grab it with both hands. Now the left leg scoops around and back. The left hand grabs to the outside, pull it up and over your head, and rotate back the way that you came. Keep your footlock on, cross your left leg over your right, and sit on your heel. Take your left arm out in your head. Now pull the slack with your left hand, but keep enough space so there's a loop around your right and grab. Open out to the left side. You can bend your bottom leg or straighten it. Cross the legs. Release your hand and pull out your slack and stand on up. All right, so let's do this all again in slow motion. Here we go. Footlock on the right side. And once you have your footlock on, transfer the silk that's on your left side to your right side. Then both hands grab. Now this part can feel a little tricky. The left leg scoops between your leg and the silk, extends behind you. The left hand grabs on the outside. I pull it up. The more you can let your hand slide through, the better. Drop it off and rotate around, taking the right arm out of there. Okay, so I keep the right footlock on. Cross the left leg over the right and sit on your heel. The left arm comes out. Your head comes out. Then your left shoulder comes out. Pull the slack, creating a loop around your right wrist. Grab, lengthen your left arm down the silk, open your body to an arabesque position. You can bend your bottom leg into more of a diamond passe or extend it out into an arabesque. Notice that little diamond shape above you is beautiful, and then crossing the legs, releasing your hand, and pulling out your slack. Great, and then you can stand up and take your footlock off or move on to another part of a sequence from there. So we'll definitely do it one last time in regular speed. Footlock, transfer it to the right side. Both hands grab. Left leg scoops back and around. Grab to the outside, pull it up, let your hands slide, 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 creating slack, and open the right arm to the side. Cross left leg over right, pass your shoulders through, pull the slack, nice tight grip, and open your body to the side. Option to extend the lower leg, and coming out of it, pull your slack out, stand up, pop your footlock off, wrap your feet, and come down safely. So that was your Twirlesque Belay into Diamond.